Hello everybody, Eric with Secondary Machine. So today I'm still working on getting this new shop space set up. So basically this is a back room in the house. I've got a big shop that I earn my living in at the back end of the property that's got a proper knee mill and a much larger lathe. But what I really wanted to be able to have was a space where I could just come out and enjoy myself and sort of putter and work on little projects, make stuff. It's a big shop out there. It's metal. It's really hard to heat this time of year. We're just, fall's just coming to a close, starting to become winter. It's getting kind of cold. And so I just have this big space in the back of the house that just has this chipboard for a floor and stuff. It's basically walled off from the rest of the house. So I figured, why not turn this into a small machine shop and have a little place to go out and putter. I just picked up this lathe, I don't know, maybe 2 months ago. Paid like 250 bucks for this thing. Didn't come with a 3-jaw chuck. I actually just finished making the backing plate for that and bought a 3-jaw for it. Did come with a 4-jaw. But anyway, my point is, had the little lathe that I just kind of stumbled into, and so I'd been on the hunt for a small mill. I live in Washington State, really close to the Grizzly Tools, and I don't know if you realize this, but Grizzly Tools has a back room now where returned merchandise ends up. And I'd been kind of on the hunt for a small mill, and I grabbed this, I think, 3 days ago. So I'm kind of going through this right now, getting it all set up and dialed in. I knew that once I had both of these tools, I've got extra basically everything else. Like, how many sets of 1, 2, 3 blocks do you need? You know, I've got a bunch of cant twist clamps. You know, I own 2 grinders. Basically everything I need to have a small machining space I already had. All I needed was a couple more tools. So anyhow, welcome to the new channel. I'll probably, the reality is, as much as to what I would like to work on making some fun stuff, like some small engines and stuff, like here's one of my very first machining projects, little steam engine that runs actually on air, but it works. It was a fun little thing. Built that, I don't know, I've been machining maybe 3 or 4 years now. And as much as to what I would like to be able to come out here and make fun little projects, the main thing that I usually end up doing actually is either building myself new tools or repairing tools. Like the new mill is for instance, to lock up the spindle, you just put a pin in here and that allows you to loosen this up and drop the R8 collets out. I want to make something that's on a spring so that I can't possibly turn this machine on with the, here's the little thing now. I would hate to turn this on, but that's stuck in there. So I'm going to build myself something that's spring powered that'll pop out, that you have to hold it in if you want to loosen up the collet. So little stuff like that, little projects is what I probably will end up filming. So anyway, new channel. I'm just now diving in. If you want to subscribe, that would be great. I've got another YouTube channel where I produce panniers and racks for adventure motorcycles at Go Solo Box. I've got another channel. I've never monetized any of my stuff. I will not monetize this. It'll be ad-free. Would appreciate it if you were to click the subscribe button. I have 0 subscribers. I just started the channel literally like 10 minutes ago. So if you want to subscribe and come hang out in this little shop, it'd be great. Talk to you later.